Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the inventory management system using profit and commission calculation system. I am not connecting any database here. First you have to learn how to calculate the profit and commission without connecting the database. This is simple mathematics. One of the student who asked me on comment yesterday, so that I am making the video. Okay, first you have to learn like this. It's a simple mathematics. Okay, so product, imagine I am a TV, I am going to project LG TV, right? Buying price, okay, I am buying price, it is a 15,000. Selling price, I am going to sell this TV 30,000. Click OK, you can get the profit. This is a commission 1%, right? How to calculate the commission is based on the profit. Based on the profit, we have to calculate as 1% of the commission. What is the profit you are getting? In order to calculate the commission for 1%, we have to calculate the commission, right? Okay. Okay, this is the amount. 1% is this 150. Okay. Each and every profit we can calculate as a 1% give as a commission. This is the commission, right? So clear. Again I am going to type another product, LG washing machine. Right. Buying price 20,000, selling price 45,000. Click OK. So 25,000 profit. This is the commission, right? This is how we have to calculate the profit and commission. This is a 1% as a commission. This is a profit, right? Based on the profit, we have to calculate as a 1% commission, right? So how to do this system step by step, I will teach. Right, first I have to design this simple user interface using Eclipse, right? I no need to explain again by again how to design this one. This all the stuff I have. This is not text field. I am going to put it instead of text fields. I have to put it as a text area. I just put it as a text area. You can put it as a text field over here. Okay, this is all the field. I am going to name it as. This is the first name. I am going to name it as txt item. This one I am going to change the name it as txt b price. This is the txt s price means selling price, b price mean buying price, right? I have changed each and every text area as a different name for identify the coding. Okay, this two text field. Okay, this is how to change the color. I hope you everyone know. Select this one, go to the structure. This is the properties. You will be able to done anything. Here the foreground color mean it is a you are writing the text color. The background color mean it is a black. The default come as white. You have to change it as black, right? If you change the color as black, if you are write something else, you won't be see because the default color will be black. So you have to change it as, if you have put the background color black, you have to change it as a white color as a foreground color. Okay, this is the way you have to see here. If you click on this one and you have to change the color like this. This is how I have changed the colors. Okay, whatever color you can select and click OK, it will be changed. Okay, this is how we have to make it as. We have give the different name over here. This one should be select here, structure, name I given txt profit. This is a txt commission, right? I just name it like this. I have put two buttons. One is OK, another one is a clear. Okay, so let me select the OK button. Right click, event action perform. Right? Why you select this one? If you select this OK button, what the operation have to do? Okay, what the operation we have to do? We have to calculate the profit and commission. Right? Simple. Okay, inside here, first you are simply think of your mathematics calculation. How to do by your mathematics? The same mathematics you have to convert into your computer mathematics. That is called as programming, right? So we have to assign. You have to create the two variables double. Okay, this is a double. If you are calculating the price and everything, you have to calculate as double instead of int. Double is a good, right? Double by price. I have created the variable by price because first we have to selling price, this is a selling price. What is the price you are selling? You have to minus it as a buying price, then only your profit will be calculated. So you minus it here. Okay, so here buying price, what is the amount you are type on this text field, this text area, it will be assigned to this variable. What is the selling price you are typing, it assigned to this variable, so it will be calculated, so it will be assigned. Okay, this is why we are double. Okay, if you are calculating the integer int dot pass int, if it is a double, you have to write as a double pass double, you have to write like this. Okay, now here this is a simple code we have to use to calculate the profit calculation. Double, we have to create the variable as profit equal sell price, selling the selling price. What is the selling price you are entered over here, minus what is the buying price you are entered over here. We have to minus it from the selling price to buying price. We are minus it from the selling price, is it will be minus it, right? Then it will be calculate the profit and assign it the variable profit. It will calculate the profit and assign it the variable profit, right? So price, the profit will be reside on this variable which is a profit, right? After that we have to this profit we have to display on this txt profit text box, this text box. Okay, so this is the which name is I have given txt profit, commission I have given as txt com, right? Whatever name you can give, but the name is very important stuff. When you are going the name, you have to give the name of each and every text box. Why? Identify the easy name. Okay, easily identify the name you have to give. So here, right, profit will be calling here. So if you calculate the profit, here we have to convert into string dot value of mean, it will be calculated as the string. Okay, after that this is the simple code we have used to calculate the commission. Okay, now here I comment it because we are easily understand to calculate this one. You don't worry about this, is all the source code I provide in my tutorsfunny.com website. You will be able to put into your code, right? So here again I am going to create another variable double, it's a commission. How to calculate the commission? We have to calculate the commission from where? From the profit. Okay, so from the profit we have to calculate the commission. So but the comment you are get it here, profit into 1%. What is the percentage you have to give the commission from the profit? What is the commission you are given here? 1% I am going to commission. So we have to write like this 1. Okay, divide by 100. Now here it will be calculated in order to calculate the profit over here, sorry, commission over here, and assign to the variable commission over here, right? After that what I am going to do is here, you have successfully completed the commission stuff. Now you are going to go to print the commission into the relevant text area here, right? So you have to print the text area over here. So how to print it over here? You have write like this here. This is the text box, text field name, setx string value of, you have to convert them. Okay, you have to convert them as, you have to write string value of what the commission you are getting, you have to pass in here. This is the thing you have to do, right? Very simple. This is the thing you have to do. Okay, right. After calculate all the stuff, if you are click clear button, what happen? All the here again I am going to show the demo. TV price, this time I am going to give 20,000, 35,000. Click. So profit and commission calculated successfully. From the profit we have to calculate the commission as 1%. Clear, it will be clear. Now here clear button, we have to clear all the text field. So here we have to write the text field, each and every text field, this text field name which is txt item, txt buy price, sell price, txt profit, txt commission. So we have to write text field here. There is a property called set text. Here when you click on that button, what you are written over here, if you are write like this, 2 double quotation mark without writing anything else, it will be clear. Okay, it all the stuff will be clear, right? So otherwise you can write like this, buying price and selling price, you have to write like this. It also applicable for you all, it also applicable. Again you have to run. When you are clear, it will be automatically TV buying price 23,000, buying price 33,000. Click OK. Commission clear. Here it will be clear. Now you will be able to see here this you can enter like this. You just write like this. Okay, simple. Okay, whatever you will do it. Okay, if it is a blanco, whatever, if it is all the stuff when the program is executed, if you are do these things, the same thing you have to put it here. This is the initialize. This is the when the programming start. This is the class we have to write env. When the class is start, this is a it's called as constructor. The constructor you are passing inside the constructor you are passing here txt. Okay, here if you are write like this, you have to implement this text field above. So how to implement this one? Here this text area, this text to text area, to implement it like this. Control C to copy this one. In NetBeans it is automatically getting. In Eclipse it won't getting. So write like this. Text area. After that the txt yes price. Then only it will work. Here now it is work. Okay, you have to implement it above. Then only it work. Okay. So when you execute the program, you will be able to see. But the error here, null point exception. Right. Otherwise, if you are, is there any problem, we'll simply write like this. So here you have to write like this a text. Go to the text property here. Text. So type here. It's very simple, easily. So write the text 0.00. This one also you have to write like this. Very simple. It is very simple. Okay, rather than compare to like this. Okay, if you write like this, is simple. Now if you execute the program and check it, now it's working. Okay, here it's working successfully. Okay, no problem. Now here TV, what's the profit here? 30,000. For calculate, clear. Okay, it's working successfully according to your requirements, right? It's working perfectly well. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.